Are your production lines stuck in the past? And time for an upgrade with Ampherical Pty Ltd. At Ampherical, we specialize in factory conveyor assembly, installation and automation. But we're not just about hardware, we're about solutions tailored to your needs. Imagine a production line that works seamlessly, boosting productivity while minimizing downtime. That's what we deliver. Our technical experts walk you through every step from initial consultations and diagnostics to equipment supply and maintenance. Need a system that adapts to your unique manufacturing process? We've got you covered. Our family-based approach ensures a personalized touch, making us a trusted partner in your quest for efficiency. Why settle for generic solutions when you can have a conveyor system designed with you in mind? With Ampherical, you get the perfect blend of quality and expertise, ensuring your factory runs like a well-oiled machine. Think automation, think Ampherical. Transform your factory with us today.